direct speech and indirect speech. We can report or express a person's statement in two ways. A. Direct. B. Indirect. A. Direct speech. Study the following sentence. Number 1. Ram said, I am ill. In this sentence, Ram's words, I am ill, are reported directly. These are the actual words what Ram said. Therefore, the sentence is said to be indirect speech. In direct speech, the actual words of the speaker are put within inverted comma. The first word of the quoted words begins with a capital letter. The actual words are separated by comma from the reporting verb said in the sentence. The closing inverted commas come after the punctuation mark. प्रत्यक्ष उक्ति रे डायरेक्ट स्पीच वक्तांकर कथा को उद्धृत चिन्ह मध्य रखा जाए। वक्तांकर अविकल कथा बा उक्तिर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच प्रथम पद कैपिटल लेटर रे आरंभ हुए एवं रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब ठारू कमा द्वारा पृथक करा जाए। शेष उद्धृत चिन्ह विराम चिन्ह पंक्चुएशन मार्क परे व्यवहार करा जाए। B. Indirect speech. Study the following sentences. Number 1. Ram said that he was ill. In this sentence, Ram words what Ram said have been reported without stating the actual words he spoke. In indirect speech, number 1, commas are not used. Number 2, the actual words of the speaker are not repeated. Only the meaning of what Ram said is stated. The reported speech is generally introduced by the conjunction that. No comma is put after the reporting verb. परोक्ष उक्ति रे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच वक्तांकर अविकल कथा उद्धृत चिन्ह मध्य रखा न जाई ताहार सठिक अर्थ परोक्ष भाव में प्रकाश करा जाई थाए। केतेक स्थल रे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब परे दैट क्लॉज व्यवहार करा जाए। परोक्ष उक्ति रे उद्धृत चिन्ह रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब परे कमा किंबा विस्मय सूचक चिन्ह व्यवहृत हुए नहीं। रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब एंड रिपोर्टेड स्पीच। Number 3. Gopal said, I am hungry. Here, the underlined word said is the reporting verb, and I am hungry put within inverted commas are reported speech. In the sentence 3, the word said reports or introduces the statement. Such a verb is called reporting verb. I am hungry is the matter or statement that the verb reports. This is called reported speech. How to change direct speech into indirect speech in declarative sentences. Study the following example. Direct speech. Gopal said, I am hungry. Indirect speech, Gopal said that he was hungry. The following changes take place while turning a direct speech or a direct statement into indirect. उपरोक्त वाक्य को डायरेक्ट स्पीच रु इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच को रूपांतरित करिबारे निम्नलिखित परिवर्तन करा जाइछि. डायरेक्ट स्पीच. फॉर एग्जांपल, गोपाल सेड, I am hungry. Here, said is the reporting verb, I pronoun, am verb, hungry adjective. So, reporting verb is in past tense, second form of the verb. Indirect speech, Gopal said that he was hungry. Number 1. Indirect speech रे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब सेट परे थिबा कमा इन्वर्टेड कमा टी उठी जाइछि एवं लिंकिंग वर्ड दैट जोग करा जाइछि. नंबर 2. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच उद्धृत चिन्ह मध्य रे नाही. नंबर 3. प्रोनाउन आई परिवर्ते प्रोनाउन ही व्यवहार करा जाइछि. नंबर 4. चेंज इन टेंस रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस वर्ब टू होइथिबारु एम परिवर्ते वाज व्यवहार होइछि. डायरेक्ट स्पीच. लेट्स टेक एन अनदर एग्जांपल. गोपाल सेज, आई एम हंग्री. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब I pronoun, am verb, hungry adjective. Reporting verb is in first form, V1 form. Gopal says that he is hungry. Indirect speech. Number 1. Indirect speech रे reporting verb says परे थिबा कमा इन्वर्टेड कमा टी उठी जाइछि एवं लिंकिंग वर्ड दैट जोग करा जाइछि. सेकेंड. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच उद्धृत चिन्ह मध्य रे नाही. थर्ड. प्रोनाउन आई परिवर्ते प्रोनाउन ही व्यवहार करा जाइछि. चेंज इन टेंस रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब वर्ब 1 प्रेजेंट टेंस रे थिबारु एम परिवर्ते इज व्यवहार करा जाइछि. Common rules. Change of personal pronoun. Remember the common rules and write down on your copies. Nominative, subject case, objective case, possessive pronoun. Nominative subject case I, object case me, possessive case. My possessive pronoun mine. We, us, our, ours. You, your, yours. He, him. His, his. She, her, her. Hers. They, them. Their, theirs. It, its nothing. Change of time phrases and adverbials. Remember it and write down on your copies. Direct speech this, indirect speech that. Direct speech these, indirect speech those. Direct speech here, indirect speech there. Direct speech tomorrow, indirect speech the next day or the following day. Direct speech now, indirect speech today. Direct speech ago, indirect speech then. Direct speech today, indirect speech that day. Direct speech tonight, indirect speech that night. Yesterday, the previous day. Examples of declarative sentence. Repeating verb in present. Direct speech, indirect speech. Number 1. Reena says, I am working. Reena says that she is working. Geeta says to Mita, you have a brother. Geeta tells Mita that she has a brother. In sentence 2, the repeating verb says to takes an object Mita, so says to is changed to tells in the indirect speech. My mother says to me, you will not go to market. My mother tells me that I will not go to market. Number 4, the teacher says the sun rises in the east. The teacher says that the sun rises in the east. No change in tense. The boys say we may not play tomorrow. The boys say that they may not play the next day. Exercise. For you, put direct speech into indirect speech. Repeating verb in present. Before doing the exercise, see the previous examples and put direct speech into indirect speech. These are some numbers as exercise for you. Write down the answers. Put direct speech into indirect speech. If you have any doubt, please contact me or WhatsApp me. Here are some numbers for you. If you have any confusion, see the previous examples and do these numbers.